Hey friends, welcome back to my channel where it's Brittany. I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Domino. Alrighty my friends, it is Memorial Weekend and me, Andrew, Jada, and Buddha are off to an event called Descend On. It is in California and crazy enough, it's only 45 minutes away from us. We are a little bit late. Registration kind of started at 11 o'clock and we just kind of took our time. But it is going to be for Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, and we leave out Monday. So everything is like completely packed up. I have both of the kennels. I have some stuff that I'm going to sell while I'm there. All of these clothes I'm trying to get rid of to downsize. But yeah, it's going to be a lot of yoga and a whole bunch of people. It's going to be like a van life meetup almost. But you did have to pay for camping and stuff like that, and the yoga and everything. So I am, thank you baby. Andrew just came back with some goodies because we bought stuff to make s'mores, but forgot the chocolate. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get on the road, and I'll see you guys at the location. Buddha.
Sun is shining, wind blows through my hair, car is moving fast down the freeway to anywhere. We are going somewhere new tonight. Might be crazy, I hope it is. Baby, this is what we do. We leave it all up for sale, 'cause we are going somewhere new tonight. I ain't letting you out of my sight. Ooh, freedom is a rare thing, only a few of us can share. Going down this road gives me all I wanna have, but we gotta keep on moving towards the dream, to anywhere. We are going somewhere new tonight. I ain't letting you out of my sight. Ooh, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da,
So for the longest, oops, let me turn this music off. So for the longest, I was the only Skoolie out here, but it looked like 2 Skoolies just pulled up. See? Buddha, get out her butt. Feel their love. Watch out, children. Zoom out. Whoa, that was way too close, friends. I like y'all, but I don't know if y'all like me like that. That was very, very, very close. So yes, and now it's 3 Skoolies out here. I was feeling very, very alone. It is a ambulance out here, a box truck ambulance out here, and then so many Volkswagen vans out here. A lot of Sprinters, Ford Transits, and other type of vans. This is a little Scamp. I think that's what it's called, a Scamp out here too, which is so cute. But yes, it's starting to fill up. Today is just the first day. People can check in. Today's Friday. People can check in, you know, today, Saturday, and also Sunday. And we leave out all on Monday. So, yep, I'm really just here chilling. Andrew's inside, taking a nap. And I'm just out here, just chilling. These clouds are so freaking pretty. It's nice. I finally have some downtime, so I'm going to make this bed. Y'all gotta see what I'm working with. It's a mess. All the linen, well, not even all of it. And here is the bed. So instead of doing like a little time lapse, I'm gonna catch y'all back once all of this is nice and neat. Okay? I'm gonna just do it just for.
No, I kind of figured that's an Easter egg.
It's an Easter egg. What's that?
Easter egg? So the thing like your